Okay, we got a 2018 Chevy Tahoe. We ended up adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm system. It's got these real nice rims, and somebody already tried to jack them. So we end up installing the shock sensor add-on because he didn't want to carry another remote control or have another alarm system. So the way it works is if somebody walks up and they try to bust out these nut locks, the alarm will fire off. Turn it off, you just hit unlock on the factory remote control and that shuts it off. Arm it, same thing you've been doing. Turn it off. And it has no effect on the remote start, because sometimes we get these phone calls, hey, if I do the shock sensor add-on, will it interfere with the remote start? No sir, it has nothing to do with your remote start. Okay, to remote start it, you have to hit this twice and then hold down the remote start. Okay, has no effect with the remote start. Turn it off again. This shock sensor was add-on here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialist. The numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And yes, we do have free mobile service. Thank you for watching this video.